Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Mutakabbir. This is a very special name that helps us understand just how amazing and great Allah truly is. Let's discover together what this wonderful name means and why it's so important for us to know about it. Al-Mutakabbir means the supremely great. This is a very special name that belongs only to Allah because He is above all creation in His greatness and perfection. No one else can have this name because no one else is as great as Allah. He is the most perfect and supreme in every single way. When we look up at the night sky, we can see just how great Allah truly is. He created this enormous universe filled with billions and billions of stars and galaxies. Did you know that our Earth is like a tiny marble compared to the sun? And there are stars even bigger than our sun. Allah created all of these massive stars and planets with His supreme power, showing us just how great He is. Allah's greatness isn't just shown in the sky above us, but also right here on earth. Look at the mighty mountains that stand so tall and strong. Allah made them all. And think about the deep, vast oceans that stretch further than our eyes can see. These massive mountains and endless oceans are beautiful signs of Allah's greatness, showing us how powerful and amazing He is. But Allah's greatness isn't only in big things. He shows His perfect greatness in the tiniest creatures too. Look at the beautiful butterfly with its delicate wings painted in perfect patterns. See how the flowers bloom with such lovely colors and shapes. Even the tiny ant, so small yet so clever and strong for its size, shows us Allah's amazing attention to every little detail in His creation. You know what makes Allah al-Mutakabbir even more special? Unlike everything He created, Allah has no weaknesses at all. While all creatures have some faults or things they can't do, Allah is perfect in every way. He never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and is greater than everything He created. Nothing in this whole universe can be compared to His greatness. We should love Allah for being al-Mutakabbir because He uses His supreme greatness to protect us and take care of us. Even though He is so great and powerful, He watches over us with love and kindness. This is why Allah al-Mutakabbir deserves all our respect, love, and worship. Remember, dear children, whenever you see something amazing in the world around you, whether it's the bright stars at night, the tall mountains, the vast oceans, or even the tiny ants working together, think about Allah al-Mutakabbir. Remember His greatness and say Subhanallah, glory be to Allah, the supremely great.